will see how rooftop ginger and turmeric has been cultivated. I've brought down because it is better to take video at the down, and while using mud and other changes it would be better if you bring it down. Okay, I'll just show. This is the ginger. This is actually a mango ginger. See how much we are getting in it. Okay. This is a single ginger. This is actually mango ginger. See, the soil is so fertile. These are the seeds from mango ginger. Take it carefully. First remove the seeds carefully. Okay, these are the seeds which are taken. Now we'll see. This is actually mango ginger. Okay. In the rooftop itself we have got so much. Still we are having. See how fertile is the soil for mango ginger. Okay, this is simply and thing that are used, so we are getting so much gingers from it. Okay, okay, this turmeric, we'll see it later. Okay, see, mango ginger has got many health benefits. Okay, it is normally used by health patients. Okay. For using in the rooftop, you can have a pot, okay, or you can use old sacks for it. Okay. Old sacks is also better. See the fertility of the soil that we use for this one, okay, for ginger production. See the size of ginger that has been harvested. So much gingers are there. Okay, after harvesting, okay, for replanting it again, you use husk and everything, and you replant it. Okay, see, it is good for health, and a single plant has yielded you so much gingers.